Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that you are well. I'm going to take another class, that means second class on Chapter 1, Business, Basic Concept of Business Organization and Management, first paper. Dear students, topics of second class are industry as a scope of business and types of industry. Let us discuss these 2 points. Already we have learned about the definition of business. Business is any legitimate economic activity involving risk for the purpose of earning profit. Okay. Business is the legitimate conduct of industrial, commercial, and direct service activities for the purpose of earning profit. Business is the legitimate economic activity of producing, distributing, and assistance to trade of goods and services for earning profit. So, from these 3 definitions, we have got that the objective of earning profit must be existed in the definition of business. So, from these definitions, we have got 3 points. Number 1, production will be done in business. Then the produced products will be distributed to the ultimate consumers. Then to distribute the products need some assistance work. The work will be done, or to distribute the products there, the distributor will face some problems. The problems will be reduced or removed by the business. So all the functions of these three things are called business. So what is production? Production should be done by the industry, then distribution will be done by the trade. These types of then wholesale trade, retail trade, import trade, export trade, these types of trade, these types of distribution, these types of trade will be done. Okay, these types of distribution will be done. The distribution will be done through this way. Okay, then there are some barriers, obstacles. To remove the obstacles need to do some works. The works can be banking, insurance, transportation, warehousing, packaging, advertising. Okay, um, these types of functions will be done to reduce the barriers or remove the barriers of distribution. Dear students, already we have learned that there are 3 branches of any modern business. The branches are industry, commerce, and direct service, right? So what is industry? Industry is called the carrier of production. That means industry is centered work. The industry will collect natural resources. Collected natural resources will be converted useful things of human. So for that, as the shape and size will be changed through industry, for that this is called carrier of production. Suppose think collecting woods from forest, this will be converted into chair, table, these types of furnitures. Then think about garments. The raw materials of garments will be collected from natural resources. Then it will be converted into finished good like shirt, pant, etc. Okay. So converting these things will be done in industry. For that, this is called carrier production. Then commerce. Produced products will be distributed to the ultimate consumers. You know, the main purpose of business is earning profit. So to earn profit, produced products must be distributed to the ultimate consumers. If the business doesn't distribute the produced products, the business will not earn profit. Okay, so have to distribute these products to the ultimate consumers. This is called commerce. The commerce means purchase and sales functions will be done. Trade, then through this trade and purchase and sales, ownership will be transferred to one person to another person, or one institutions to another institutions. Okay, uh, through this uh, commerce, the remote persons or the person's demand will be fulfilled. Then direct service, selling services directly from self-employment for the purpose of earning money is called direct service. Just think about doctors, lawyers, engineers, clinics, Grameenphone, internet services. They give services, they give service for earning profit independently. So these types of functions are called direct services. On the other hand, giving directly any work, facility, or satisfaction capable of meeting the needs and wants of a consumer for the purpose of earning money is called direct service. So students already have got the points that the meaning of these 3 points, like industry, commerce, and direct services. These are the branches of any modern business. So industry is a branch of modern business. Let us discuss about industry. What is industry? The process of collecting the and resources provided by natural resources, and transforming these natural resources into products useful for human consumption is called industry. Like jute is a natural resource. Where industry will collect natural resource jute, and it will be converted to sacks, bags, ropes, etc., etc. And these things will be used by human. Just think about mineral oil. It will be converted into diesel, octane, petrol, like these things. So these types of functions will be done in the industry. The process by which natural resources or raw materials are extracted and they are suitable and their shape and size, it will be prepared in various ways to produce goods and services suitable for human consumption is called industry. That means through this industry, natural resources will be collected, and after collection, the shape and size of these natural resources will be converted into useful things of human. So, consumable things will be created from natural resources. So, these types of functions is called is called industry. Then features of industry. Features of industry. So, from these definitions, what types of features we have got? We have got industry is called the carrier of production. That means for industry, new things will be created. For that, and created, and the raw materials, natural resources will be used to create new things in industry. This is second one. This is the first step in business. There are three branches: industry, commerce, and direct service. So mainly industry and commerce. Through industry, new products will be created. Then created products will be distributed to the ultimate consumer. So for this reason, industry is the first step in business. Then creates shape and size utility. Understand? Through this business, the collected natural resources will be converted into new shape and size. Okay, for that, here is written create shape and size utility. Then centered work. Industry is established in a center. These types of industry will not be established here and there. Okay, and after collection of natural resources, the resources will be converted into finished goods in a factory. For that, this is called centered work. Then delay in results. Just think about the functions of industry. That industry collect natural resources. These natural resources will be converted into finished goods. Then finished goods will be sold to the ultimate consumers. Need a long time. That means the main purpose of earning profit of a business will be achieved. To achieve this target of a business need long time. Okay, there is existed more capital and risk, as this is the industry, and to do functions of industrial function, need uh, need to establish a factory, need to buy a land, need to hire a factory, need to take lease the costful machines, or to buy need to buy costful machines. That means if you want to establish a factory or industry, you will have to invest a lot of capital. But if you want to establish a trade center, you do not need to invest a lot of money. Understand? Dear students, now we are going to discuss the types of industry. Industries are of different types because of there are differences in production process and work effort. For that, we will see the different types of industry. First thing that first one is genetic or breeding industry. What is this? Genetic or breeding means industry engaged in attempting to breed plants, breed plants and animals. That means plants and elements will be breeded, will be number of plants and animals will be increased, involving the industry which is involved to uh, breed plants and animals is called genetic industry. Genetic industry, okay. And then extractive industry. Then think about genetic industry, poultry, hatchery. These types of um, industries are called genetic industry. Okay. Then extractive industry. You know, there are three layers of three natural layers: soil, air, soil, water, air, and there are a lot of natural resources. Collecting these natural resources is called extractive industry. Here is written, industries engaged in collecting natural resources from the three layers of soil, water, air. From soil, if we collect if in coal from mine, oil from uh, oil mine, then it is called extractive industry. Then you can collect, if you uh, collect fish from sea, river. The sea fish is a natural resource, so collecting fish from river, some river or sea is called extractive industry. Then construction industry, industry engaged in making anything out of bricks, wood, stone, sand, cement, rods, etc. That means constructing anything using bricks, wood, stone, sand, cement, roads is called construction industry. Then just think about metro rail, think about Bangabandhu rail bridge, think about Podha bridge. These types of things has been created using bricks, own stone, sand, cement, rod, etc. Okay, so these are the example of construction industry. Then manufacturing industry, production of something new by processing using materials or primary industry products, right? So production will be done using machines and a method, and labor will be labor using labor. So functions will be done functions will be done in manufacturing industry through this way. Service industry, industries engaged in ensuring better quality of life, such as gas, water, electricity, supply industries. These types of industries are called service industries. Understand? Then agricultural industries, there are four sub sectors of agricultural industries. The sectors are crops, fisheries, livestock, and forestry. These are producing these types of things in these four sectors are called agricultural industries. Then analytical industry, making new things by analyzing natural resources such as production of diesel, octane, mobile, kerosene from mineral oil. Mineral oil is called, these types of industries are called analytical industry. The industry which are engaged to um, produce these types of things like diesel, octane, mobile, kerosene from mineral oil are called analytical industry. Also, you can give an example of mineral analytical industry. Coke oil, naphthalene, tar, etc. Are produced from mineral coal. So these types of industrial work is called analytical industry. Then compound industry, separate materials will be combined and dissolved or mixed to form something new, such as steel is made by mixing iron, ore, that means akuri, coal, manganese, etc. Okay, so these types of elements will be mixed and new things will be created. The industry which are engaged to produce these types of things are called compound industries. Okay, then process industries, cotton. Then cotton process industries means the using primary industries products. These types of industry will use primary industries products, and and another new things will be produced through using machine process methods. Okay, a labor. So producing these types of things are called process industries. If you just think about um, textile or garments, the garments, these types of products will be produced through a process. So this is called process industries. Sugar. Then additive industries, uh, combining different materials produced by other industries to make new things like aircraft, ships, automobiles, motorcycle. Just think about motorcycle. There are different types of parts. The parts will be collected from different industries. So these parts will be added, will be assembled, and a motorcycle will be created or produced. So these types of industrial work is called additive industry. Dear students, hope that you have got this, you have understood these points about industry, and do read carefully and do these functions at home, like definition of industry, the types of industries, and explain with example, and you may show the difference between a genetic and agricultural industry. Dear students, hope that you have understood today's class. We will take another class, the third class on chapter 1. Till then, Allah Hafiz. If you have any question on this lecture, just write your question in comment box. Hope that you will be answered. Thank you.